What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can set OpenAI API key in Python. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, there are these commands which you need to follow. First things first, you need to set X OpenAI API key, and here you have to put your API. Now you need to get your API link and then put it right here and use this command in your PowerShell. Now, for the Python, you just have to pip install OpenAI. There is a library for OpenAI, just install it. Now, you just have to do this thing, which is from OpenAI, import OpenAI. OpenAI is a library and OpenAI is a tool as well in the OpenAI library. Just import it. Now we just have to allot this OpenAI function to client and then completion is equal to client.chat.completions.create. Now you can use the different models, this chat GPT-4 or mini version. You can use it. If you are using the paid version of API, you might be able to use the future or the latest version of chat GPT as well right here. Now this is the code. Just go through the codes and you'll be able to understand how it works. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.